Welcome to Growing Guitar. Louis Tomlinson, On Fire. That's the title of a track on his new album. And going from being a part of One Direction, this manufactured boy band, into having his own life as an artist now, releasing a new album, How Did I Get Here, and doing this great song, On Fire. That's great. You know, by the way, what else is on fire is this guitar. Okay, if you want to have a cool guitar like mine, you notice this red flames here like they're on fire. This is a guitar that comes from the brand Anchor Guitar. So if you want to have like one of these, then use my coupon code GrowingGuitar10, get 10% off from an already great deal, and have a guitar that handles most of your challenges in your life. So yeah, go and check out Anchor Guitars. Now get back to this tutorial here. We have the capo set on 2nd fret. Absolute best scenario with that. We go with 6 different chords, and they're pretty easy with capo on there. So if you have one, put that on in 2nd, and let's go through the chords needed. We're gonna start with D minor, okay? Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. That's a D minor. Next, G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have A, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have C as well. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. And the final chord, of course, a bar chord. Like always, we have an index finger as a bar on the 1st fret to push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern. We're gonna play D minor as the first chord, so grab that one, and one string around goes like this. This is my interpretation of it. It sounds perfectly well for this song and follows the rhythm and everything. So what you're gonna play is 2 downs to begin with, and then down, up, down, up. So shorter pauses in between these 2 downs first, then down, up, down, up. All right, that is one round. A couple of rounds goes like this. Let's start with the song, and the first verse goes D minor, G, E minor, A. That's the first half. All these chords has 1 string around per chord. So first half, D minor, G, E minor, A. Then second half is D minor, G, E minor, and F. So that's the only difference there in the end. Instead of A on the first round, first half, you go with F. And yes, we can play that together. Let's go. At 34 seconds in, now we reach the pre-chorus. You're going to continue the strumming. We're going to play C1, D minor 1, E minor 1, F1. You go for 2 rounds here. Let's do one round together, starting with C. Second round in that. And you're gonna reach the first chorus at 49 seconds in. You Set Me on Fire. That is the title there. And what you're gonna play here is the first half you played in the verse, which means D minor 1, G1, E minor 1, and A1. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Let's do one round together. Sounds like this. So there we have the first round of the song. Now into the second round. The second verse played exactly in the same way as the first verse. In this second round, we don't have any pre-chorus, so we're going to jump right into the second chorus. And that second chorus is played in the same way, but instead of 2 rounds, you play 3 rounds. 3 rounds of that chorus, D minor, G, E minor, A. Then after that, we're going to reach the bridge part, and this is where you're gonna play the second pre-chorus actually. So we have a second pre-chorus, it's played here at the bridge part, and you're gonna play in the same way as the first one. C1, D minor 1, E minor 1, F1 for 2 rounds. After that, you're gonna finish off with the third chorus, and that is played in the same way as the previous choruses, but now instead you play it for 4 rounds, guys. And there you have it. On Fire by Louis Tomlinson. Good luck and play tuned.